The future of the Buffalo Bills is already bright, and the ongoing construction of their new home stadium is only making it brighter. The steel skeleton of the new Buffalo Bills Stadium is expanding upward. Construction work over the past month has been focused on building the next level of the stadium's structure above ground. Now visible from all directions, the shape of the new stadium is starting to emerge. With the subterranean structure now fully encompassing the construction pit, this level currently rises from the north and west sides of the stadium. This structure will comprise an additional level of the lower bowl, so the new stadium will continue to grow taller. With this next level of the new stadium underway, the steel structure can now clearly be seen from every direction. These views are beginning to give an idea of the scale of the new stadium and the impact it will have on the surrounding landscape. New Highmark Stadium is expected to open its doors in time for the 2026 NFL season. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.